So what's going on out here, gang?
Yeah, we deal with the soup, you know.
So let me see what we have in here.
Pumpkin and all of them things there get ready. Corn and them things there.
Looks so rich.
Out.
So you have pumpkin, corn,
Yam,
chocho, pimento,
turnips. We
turnips.
put in scallion and thyme, you know. And then put in the meat later on. Make it boil out.
And we have family here, Sean, the big man. Enough respect, one love, brother.
You know, all
Yeah,
the time,
man,
you know.
every time.
Never left each other, you know.
Yeah, man, respect.
Yeah, I put in some purple and then nice soup. Yeah.
Alright, gang, it looking good. Yeah. So what time you put in the meat?
Sometimes them almost cooked though.
Oh,
The
you,
pumpkin them cooked.
you put in the meat last. And me always put in it first, you know. Me always.
You can cook but now and the pumpkin them mash out.
Okay. Me always do things backwards, you know.
You can put in any time and now can see it.
Okay.
Then me nah the mat the sit them up here for cut strip.
Oh, so now the chicken going in, the chicken and chicken foot. Yeah. Oh man, this look richer. And the noodles not in yet. I might be like I want to go with that first.
Put up myself. Verify something warm. Like all that burn the skin, like, you know, anti-ice back home with the ice cream and the views.
Dry ice. Dry ice.
So I tell people say, one thing with a cool and I'm eating, so I'm just really dry, brother.
Yeah, man, dry out your skin.
You see in a cold where I come from?
I mean, man, never cold enough.
I don't need to use lotion, brother.
The skin get white.
You see me?
Up here, yeah.
My skin just moist.
Moist.
Cold living, brother.
Up here, sir.
You see my finger them cool up. My finger them cool up, brother.
Some of this, right? We add some caramel to it. I already know what Jamaican thing is. You know what I say?
Yeah, that good.
That's good.
Oh, that's all.
This is some spinners for the soup.
Spinners for the soup.
Yeah.
Can't do soup without spinners. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
You understand?
So you have the flour and the cornmeal.
Yeah.
You put salt in it or no?
Yeah, it's quick. The chef said no salt.
No salt, yeah. I don't put salt in mine too.
straight out of Jamaica kitchen.
Yeah.
See, this is how we make the Jamaica dough. They call spinners, Johnny cakes, or dumpling. I already know.
Yep.
That's it. You can make it round, you can make it long, you can make it square, all different sizes, all different shapes.
So the spinners going in.
Spinners and rounders.
And rounders.
Spinners and rounders. Everything that we sow.
Oh, let me see one of the rounders.
Spinner.
Spinners. So yeah, spinners and rounders.
Yeah. Rounders.
Rounders.
Rounders. So
The long one.
yeah.
Flatters.
Flatters. So you have three types going.
Everything
You have the
that sow.
spinners, the
Flatters.
rounders, and the
Flatters.
flatters. So,
You know, you know.
so now the noodles going in. All right. Tell the people then what to do in Gangali.
Get some noodles, some pumpkin noodles. Chicken no cock soup.
Oh, so you have pumpkin noodles and
Cock soup and
cock soup. Okay.
And a long time, me and them little knowledge, I'm stuck up there for a long time.
Yeah, Ghana, me a go man. I build a house of Ghana. What you have here, gang? Oh, you put in some romi in it. Yeah.
you soup strength, you know.
Yeah.
Soup up your strength.
I can't wait to drink some of this soup, man. You got no mash out? Once you cook and get soft out. This soup looks so rich. God damn. Smell good too.
Good. Tastes good though.
Mm. So gang, the soup is finished, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna taste this soup and see how it tastes. So the soup is finished, it's done, and I'm gonna have some because it's done, okay? Oh man, it's so rich. Oh. This is good. It's so rich. The broth tastes so good. So we have some dumplings, banana, chocho, chicken, and the pumpkin, and carrot, all in the broth. So this concludes this video. Thanks for watching. Welcome again to Gangali's Kitchen. And Gangali the man is over there.
Bless.
Yeah, one love. Until the next time. Alright? One love, peace. Yeah man.